Madhura. Then where is Mama?
And where is Mama?
Here she is.
Here she is.
Hi, I'm Madhura and she's
Manasvi.
and he's
Manthan.
very good.
Today we are making summer special lassis.
I'm making Mango Lassi.
I'm making Rose Lassi.
I'm making Chocolate Lassi. Let's get started.
So for making Mango Lassi, here's what we need. We need half cup of,
Three.
that is yogurt. Then we need some, what is it?
Mango Lassi.
Yes, Mango Lassi. So for making Mango Lassi, we need some mango pulp. 1/4 cup of
Milk.
Very good.
And we also need pinch of cardamom powder. Now it's my favorite rose lassi, rose infused lassi. So for that I'm using 1 cup of yogurt. Then we need 1/4 cup of rose syrup. And for all these lassis we need some powdered sugar.
For making chocolate lassi, we need half cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup milk and 4 tablespoons melted chocolate.
So let's make mango lassi first. So for making mango lassi, let's add yogurt in the bowl first.
It's heavy.
Yeta. Manthan is a strong boy. Yes, you can do it.
Yay, you can do it.
Very good. Then add some mango pulp, that is mango puree. Just take fresh mango, cut that into bite-sized pieces, add into blender jar and puree it down. So goes in some mango pulp. Yes, yes.
You have to pour it.
Very good.
It's only eating it.
Very good. That's good. Then goes in some milk. Now if you are not comfortable adding milk,
I'm adding it.
yes, you can do it. Very good.
Very good.
Yay.
Wow. What a good boy.
We also need some sugar. So if you are not comfortable adding this, okay, add in some cardamom powder, and we need some powdered sugar. Woo! How's it? Is it sweet or sour? Ambate ka good? Ambate na. So we need to put some sugar, right? How much? Kiti rakta?
Oh.
1 and
2 and
2.
3.
Okay. So he needs 3 teaspoons of sugar. Yes.
Oh no, that's
Very good. So if you do not want to add milk, you can add water. You can replace milk with water. Yes, and now we'll go ahead and churn this lassi, because that's where you get the perfect texture of lassi. Yes, yes, go ahead. No. Yeah, very good.
He's driving like a car.
Like this. Ah, perfect.
Very good boy.
I don't like to blend my lassis because when you churn this using this bilwa or anything, whatever you call it,
Yeah.
because if you churn this using this whisk, you get that nice creamy texture of lassi. So that's why I avoid using blender. And here our mango lassi is almost ready and it looks so yummy and delicious.
Yummy.
Look at the texture it has got. Wow. You wanna taste it? Go ahead. How's it? And look at his t-shirt, it's so beautiful. The secret! Wow.
What a big
That's a
surprise.
secret monster t-shirt, right? Wow.
I love those goggles.
Wow.
Flap, flip, flap,
Who is monster?
flap, flip, flap. Manthan.
No, you're not.
The t-shirt is the monster. It's gonna
There's
eat
monster on your
you.
t-shirt, right?
Now let's get started with the chocolate lassi. Chocolate is my favorite. So first we need half cup of yogurt.
Yes, take yogurt in a bowl first. Woo! Then
Then 1/4 cup of milk. And then 4 tablespoons of chocolate.
Yes.
Melted chocolate.
Here you can use any chocolate spread, chocolate syrup of your choice. Here I just used the milk chocolate, just melted that in the microwave, and let's add that in lassi.
No, sticky.
That's it. And to balance out the sourness from this yogurt, we are going to add some sugar. How many spoons of sugar you need?
2.
2? Okay. Perfect. Now again, Chanda Lassi. Yes, you are going to do with Didi.
You want to do with me?
Ooh, looks so delicious.
I love chocolate flavor. I got this beautiful summer special top yesterday. I went for shopping with my mom.
She always liked to buy her clothes from Max Fashion Store.
Can I test it?
Yeah, sure.
Oopsie daisy.
That's okay, honey. Max Fashion clothes are easier to clean. Even you can't see the chocolate spots. Done.
Tasty.
Mango Lassi is ready. Manasvi's favorite Chocolate Lassi is ready. And now let's make my favorite Rose Lassi. Let's add yogurt.
Manthan wants to pour.
Wow.
Ooh.
He's got so much.
Energy.
Yes. Very good. Then
Rose syrup.
a little bit of rose syrup. You can even add some rose petals or gulkand and sugar. Only 1 spoon. I don't like sweet. Okay, add 1 more spoon. Thank you. Thank you, honey. My turn to Chanda Lassi. Ooh. Look at the color.
Yours is biggest than our words.
Yes, because Mama is big.
Oh,
I have a huge tummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. You want to taste it?
Tasty. Yay! So fun too.
Is it fun? Do you like churning your lassi, Manthan? Manasvi?
Yes, I love to churn it. There are bubbles popping out.
मला नाही करता.
येते की छान करते.
You can do it.
इथे पकड. असं असं असं. हां, ये. Very good. And now Mango Lassi, Rose Lassi and Chocolate Lassi is ready. Let me take them out into a glass. And now here our lassis are ready. Chocolate, mango and rose. And we have changed our mind. Now Manthan wants to taste chocolate I want to taste mango, and Manasvi is going to.
Rose.
Yes, come on. Take your glass. Cheers.
It's full.
Cheers. 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 Okay. How's it?